Welcome to our channel EduSX. Why can't we move faster than light? We all know that light travels at a speed of 300,000 kilometers per second. This is considered to be the highest speed ever known in the universe. But except light, there is no other body can travel at this speed. Can we travel faster than the speed of light? Einstein's theory of relativity says that it is impossible because if you try to move faster than or equal to the speed of light, then your mass, which is nothing but your weight divided by the acceleration due to gravity, becomes infinite. Confused. Let us see how it happens. According to Einstein's special theory of relativity, mass of a body varies with speed or velocity according to the equation given here. That is, m is equal to m0 divided by root of 1 minus v squared by c squared, where m0 is the actual mass without moving, that is called as rest mass. M is the changing mass due to speed, v is the velocity of body, and c is the velocity of light. If a vehicle, say a spacecraft, moves at a speed of 0.1 times the speed of light, then the v in the equation can be replaced with 0.1 c. If we substitute and calculate, we find there is no change between the rest mass of the spacecraft with the mass of the moving spacecraft. Now, if we increase the speed of the spacecraft to 0.8 times of c, that is the velocity of light, then we can put v is equal to 0.8 c in the equation. Substituting and calculating, we find that the moving mass is 1.7 times higher than the rest mass. For example, if the weight of the spacecraft is 1 ton, then as the speed is 0.8 times the speed of light, then its weight would have increased to 1.7 tons. If we give acceleration to the spacecraft to make its speed equal to the speed of light, that is v is equal to c, in such a case, we find that the moving mass becomes infinity. So when the mass becomes infinity, the energy also becomes infinity. This situation is not at all possible to achieve. Light is weightless or massless, but a spacecraft is not weightless. So in order to increase the speed of the spacecraft, we need to give energy. Energy is given in the form of fuel. If we have to reach 100% light speed, then it means that we have to give infinite amount of fuel for its energy. This is impossible. It can only be a science fiction. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, and subscribe our channel.